Yo, what is going on YouTube? Technically T, another video, man, another episode of YouTube Uncut series, and I think we're on episode 6 if I'm not mistaken. Sometimes the numbers can get all twisted up, but episode 6. Now this episode, you see the title, is called Perfection. And I bring this topic up because I actually had a conversation with a family member of mine earlier this week. If you follow me on Twitter, you've seen me actually tweet about this. The tweet got a lot of good interaction going, man, and a lot of good discussion going. But basically what my tweet said was, don't let the pursuit of perfection stop you from just creating a YouTube channel. And the reason I say this is because, like I said, I was talking to a family member. They called me, they wanted some tips. They wanted to start a YouTube channel up. They didn't really know anything about YouTube, but they follow my channel, they comment all the time. And they were like, you know what? You can give us some advice about YouTube. What do you recommend? What do you recommend from all the camera, to the audio, to the computer? I mean, we literally talked on the phone for about 2 hours discussing all of this. And their main concern was, we always wanted to do a YouTube channel, but we wanted everything perfect before we began. Now, this is something I see in the community a lot. Everybody wants everything to be perfect. I mean, you want the perfect camera when you start. You want your audio to be on point. You want the best quality, everything you can get before you start a channel. Now, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with wanting a good image, a good audio. There's nothing wrong with having your on-camera presence on point. But I'm here to tell you, you have people with 100,000 plus subscribers who aren't perfect on camera. If you look at me, I'm far from perfect on camera. Now, I don't have that subscriber number, but I am far from perfect on camera, but that comes with time. Perfection with anything comes with time. So it's okay to want all of your best quality things. It's okay to want that. We all want the best quality that we can produce for our subscribers, for everybody that's watching us on YouTube. But at the same time, stop letting that be a crutch for you to start YouTube. You know what I mean? Nothing's gonna be perfect. I'm far from perfect. There's tons of things I need to improve to get this channel even close to perfect. You see what I'm saying? So a lot of people just don't even want to produce content. They'll produce content and then they'll stop because they don't like the output that they're getting. They don't like what they're getting with their channel, so therefore they stop. And they don't start back until they feel like everything is perfect. But I'm here to tell you, there's nothing going to be perfect. If you want to start a YouTube channel, please just start. You can look at anybody out here who's giving YouTube advice, from big to small. The number one thing they always say is just start. Nothing's going to be perfect. You can go look every creator I know, the community that I'm into, every creator that I know. If you tell them to go look at their first video, and I'll link my first video above. I actually linked it on Twitter the other day. It was far from perfect. If perfect was a 100, that video was a -20. You see what I'm saying? But I started, and that was the biggest hurdle coming to starting a YouTube channel, is just starting. So I ask everybody, and I tell everyone out there who wants to start a channel, if you see this video, just start. Nothing is going to be perfect. Don't worry about getting the crazy expensive camera. Don't worry about going out there and spending $600-700 on audio equipment. Now, if you want to do that and you have the funds and you have the means to do that, then be my guest. But just know those things aren't needed. This is stuff that's, collected over time. I started shooting with my cell phone, then I started making improvements, boom, boom, boom. And then I finally have the camera that I want. It took me 2 years to get what I want, that I feel like is the perfect camera for me. So that's the reason for the title, Perfection. And that's the reason for this Uncut series. The episode today was just to let you know, everything isn't going to be perfect. Stop letting, I want everything to be perfect. It's another excuse. You know what I mean? It's just another excuse that you're not starting a channel. And I always say the main reason that people don't start a channel is because they're scared. You're scared to get in front of the camera. You're scared that you're gonna fail when you start a YouTube channel. But there isn't any failing in YouTube. If you feel like there's failing, then that's within you. But there is no failing doing what you love. And if you want to shoot, and you want to create content based around things you love, there is no L in that at all. So everybody out there, if you watch this video, if you're a current content creator and you're going through a little slump, if you're watching other creators and you like, man, my stuff doesn't look like them, or that my content isn't at the production level that I want. Look, nothing's going to be perfect. Keep doing what you're doing. You will learn new little tips. You'll learn new little strategies along, man, that will make what you feel like a perfect or a perfect, just perfect on YouTube, man. It'll come. Just keep doing what you're doing. Start a YouTube channel if you haven't, and all those things will come, man. So technically, T, if you're a content creator, if you're an aspiring content creator, let me know down in the comment section below what you feel about that. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only person who was all about that. I want everything to be perfect. That's the exact reason why I haven't started my YouTube channel when I had this idea 10 years ago. It took me all the way now to be like, look, T, everything is not gonna be perfect. For one, you don't have the money for everything to be perfect right now. Maybe one day I will. So start with what you have, man, and perfection will come. Whatever perfection is to you, it will come down the line, man. But technically, T, let me know what you think in the comment section below, man. Like, share this video out. I want these Uncut series videos to get out to more people, because I feel like these are things people need to hear from people, for content creators that's our size. You know what I mean? Our size content creators are in our own community, and our word matters just as anybody who's out there that's a professional when it comes to YouTube, man. But technically, T, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next episode. Later.